Salam. Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation 0.2 divide 0.2 divided by 0.4 multiply 0.1. So here first we simplify the rational number in order of operation because 0.2 divided by 0.4 is other term from 0.2 and 0.1. So here first we simplify the 0.2, this division sign change into multiplication, and this term is reciprocal. 0.4 divide 0.2 multiply 0.1. So here we change first 0.2 multiply 0.4 divided by 0.2. How? It means 0.4 divide 0.2, we change the point places one time or right side. So 0.4 divide 0.2 multiply 0.1. ठीक है. Further 0.2 0.2 multiply 1 and 2 time. Okay, 2 multiply 0.1. So further we solve. So we solve 0.2 multiply 2. We will get the answer 0.2 multiply 2. We will get the answer 0.4 and multiply 0.1. When we multiply 0.4 multiply 0.1 and we will get the answer. We will get the 0.4 plus here calculation mistake. 0.4 multiply 0.1. So we will get the answer 0.04. So 0.04 is right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.